Let's start with the Roles tab. Here you will be able to add users and their roles to the account. Simply click on the Add a User button, enter the email address of the new user, select their role, then click Add. The portal will then ask you to confirm the user. Click Create, then the portal will generate a password for the user and the password will pop up on the screen. Please make note of this password as your user will need this password to log in. If the password is lost or is not able to be recovered, simply navigate to the Admin Portal login screen. There you can enter the user's email address, then click Forgot Password. The portal will then send an email to the user with a link, prompting them to change the password. Next, click OK, then click Add. This user now has their own sign-in and has the permissions assigned to them per their role. To delete a role, simply click on the user, then click on the trash can icon next to the role. The user will be inactive if there is no existing role, therefore will be deleted if the role is deleted. To add a role, just click on the user, click on the plus sign, select the new role, then click Add.